What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys, Kaspa fam. Hey, anytime I check the Kaspa chart, I be smiling, man. Yo, this is gonna be the easiest 100 to 500k I make in my life. Anytime I check the Kaspa chart, I'm like, wow, this is crazy. Caspians, man. Hope y'all are doing amazing, man. Hope y'all are doing great. I know I am. You know, even with retraces that's happening in the market, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum dumped a bit. So, you know, Kaspa obviously still has a bit of correlation to the broader market. So Bitcoin retraced a bit after the run it was making. So Kaspa is kind of feeling a hit of that, guys. But overall, we still bullish. We are still in the uptrend. Remember, Kaspa is the unicorn of this cycle. Kaspa is a monster. And Kaspa is absolutely gonna crush it, man. I hope y'all ready for y'all 6 figures, potentially 7 figures if you got that million Kaspa, man. If you got that million Kaspa, hey, shout out to you, man. I couldn't afford that, but you know, I'm looking for that 6 figures, man. I'm looking for that, man. So Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. If we take a look at Kaspa, sitting at that 2.7 mark, you know, we'll be up to what, 2x now from when I started to cover it. Once it retraced, yeah, we'd be up around close to a 2x on Kaspa right now, man. Crazy stuff, man. Sitting at $530 million in market cap, 19 million in 24-hour trade volume. Kaspa is sitting so nice, guys. We got people always super bullish on Kaspa. Karen, Cas, don't start whining on when Kaspa puts the God candle early because you missed the boat. Everyone has a great time. Layer 1 Dag Night Kaspa currency. Hey, still not that expensive for that 100k, but even if you get 10 to 50k Kaspa, that's potentially 5 figures, man. Who's gonna be upset at that? Because I know, look at his target, $4.10. Wow, he used a fractal for that, man. The yellow line fractal from Cardano's run from 2 cents to $3. Wow, $4 Kaspa. Jeez, man, $4.10. Guys, whew, don't fade Kas, man. Really don't. I'm telling you, do not fade Kas. Is it still worth buying Kas? Already up. What is that? 155x. Have I missed the boat? Nope. Still early, man. It's not at $1 yet, so it's still early. I'll tell you when you're late to Kaspa. Never. You're never late to Kaspa. Kaspa Blaster. Kas will be listed on Binance sooner or later. Just give it some time and you'll see Kas on the moon. I agree. With the trade volume that is generating, the total supply to circulating supply, the technology behind it, it's only a matter of time. From Nitech, I'm holding Kaspa. Shout out to you for holding, man. From Gen Wealth Gang, I want to buy more. You need to chill. OG Fruits going to moon with you. Look at the bears trying to fund the price so they could get cheaper entries. Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. Crypto is so fun, man. They got people being bearish just because they want an entry. It's gonna crash. It's gonna crash so they could buy it, so they could buy Kaspa cheap. Oh, that's tough, man. That's very tough for them. Check it, boo, checking in on the Kaspa photos, but I forgot they only have a lot to say when it's dumping. Kas unstoppable. Dota, this project will change your life. Be careful. Don't sell your coins now. Wait for 2025. Facts. Kas, $1 in the next 2 years, no doubt. From Mate Connie. I'm telling you, that $1 target, even that $4 target, psh, wouldn't be surprised. Northern Beach guy, Kas, yeah, baby. Look at that, man. Look at this chart, man. Again, like I said, look at that. It went all the way up to that 3 cent mark. Yeah, so it did go to the 2x mark from back here. This was my entry back here, guys. My entry in this range right here for Kas. Oh, I removed all my lines. Whoopsie. Whoopsie doo. So yeah, this was my entry back here in that 1 5 cent mark range. We're gonna see what happens You know, diamond hands always win, man. I'm not selling until the bull market. Not selling until the bull market is upon us. But yeah, we could see what the reason why we saw this big retrace here for Kaspa is because Bitcoin all of a sudden did a big retrace, right? Bitcoin was on a tier, it was crushing it, went all the way up to almost $32,000 per Bitcoin, and all of a sudden, boom, all the longs, everybody was long in Bitcoin, liquidated. All the longs got liquidated. Now people are gonna start shorting, short, and guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna bounce, all the shorts liquidated. Just like that, man. That's what's gonna happen for Bitcoin here. So that's why we could see this retrace in Kas. Hey, if you wanted an entry, you buy the red, guys. If you wanted an entry for Kas, you buy the red. Yeah, right? Exactly. Don't buy the green, buy the red. Okay, so yeah, Kas always looking super bullish from the Kaspa official Twitter. Thanks Nicholas Sismil for researching protocols of hashtag and Michael Sutton L, found in a trilemma solver. Kaspa, Nicholas Sismil. Ooh, listings research lead at Binance US, and he follows Kaspa, right? Michael Sutton L, found in a trilemma. It's flattering coming for the former due diligence offer. Binance US, you literally seen them all and chose Kas. What? So the Binance listing is incoming? Look at him right here, Nicholas. I hope everyone enjoys the read. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. What? How to solve the blockchain trilemma, block that and Nakamoto consensus friendship. 29 minutes. Oh, he updated it a day ago. Okay, I was like 29 minutes ago. That doesn't make sense. So what is the Nakamoto consensus? And he goes into obviously DAG technology. This is where it gets to DAG technology, guys. See that? Infinite scaling, right? This is what Bitcoin's technology is right now. This is Bitcoin, one block after the other, and this is how DAG technology is, right? Multiple blocks, infinite scaling, Spectre, right? Block DAG, look at that, man. Ghost DAG, Phantom and Ghost DAG, look at that, like infinite scaling, guys. Look at that, man. Crazy stuff. It's insane, the technology that Kaspa has, man. It's crazy how powerful Kaspa is. So yeah, again, Kaspa technology, right? And let's go back up, Bitcoin technology. Not really gonna read through the article. Go check out the article for yourselves, guys. On, you know, you could check the official Kaspa Twitter to find out. But this is huge, man. This is the listings research lead at Binance US. He's the lead advisor for listings, and he just did a write-up for Kaspa. So that means that Binance listing for Kaspa is incoming, man. Like, there's no speculation, right? It's right here. Crazy. Captain Sats, Kaspa currency GD protocol is practical realization of Phantom that the ETH and ADA founder Charles mentions below. Taking a step further with DK, allowing Kaspa transactions to auto-adjust to network condition, contradicts known impossibility, results in consensus literature. We got a video right here. Take a look at the video. Hold on, let me set my audio up, guys. Give me a second. Give me a sec to make sure my audio's on point.
There's a great line of work from Avi Zohar and Yonatan Samopinski on directed acyclic graphs, where they started with proof of work in something called Ghost, all the way down to Spectre, down to Phantom. So there's like a series of papers that they wrote, and the basic concept was that in proof of work, if you shrink the block interval, you get faster block times, but you increase the probability of orphan blocks. So ordinary Bitcoin rule is, well, if you have an orphan block, you have a race condition, whichever one you build on top of, that's the chain you go with, you throw away the orphan block, so you lose all that work.
Oh wow, that's super interesting. Wow, that's crazy.
With Ghost and Spectre and Phantom, you just throw it on to the chain. You include all of them as long as there's not a double split.
Ghost and Phantom, man. Dag Knight.
And if there is, there's a way of mitigating that within the protocol. If you follow the protocol and everybody's honest, it's very fast. You get a huge...
Man, I wish I got Kaspa sooner. I wish I got it super early, man. Yeah, very great video. Shout out to Captain Sats for the video. You guys can see a lot of these developers who have top projects in the space all talked about or utilized or tried to implement Kaspa's technology into their protocol. XRP holders want another project with gigabrains behind it. Check out what Sampolinsky and co are doing over at Kaspa. Yeah, some nice write-ups right here for Cas. Shout out to Captain Sats. 84.eth, nice work, Nicholas Sismeal. Conclusion: Block DAG theory as a generalization of Nakamoto consensus therefore achieves high scalability. Even more so, scalability is achieved while increasing the security of original Nakamoto consensus and maintaining its decentralizations. Thus, we can say the blockchain trilemma is solved. This is from the Binance lead, listing research lead. He literally stated that Kaspa solves the blockchain trilemma. Jeez, man. Eskander, cash roadmap to 20 billion market cap. Mark my word, as the market pumps, cash will continue to suck liquidity out of all major caps. Everything will flow, not just L1s and proof of work projects. Jeez, man. XRP, ADA, Litecoin, Doge, ETH, BTC, KDA, Algo. I remember how what's it called? Pepe. Not to compare Cas to Pepe, because Pepe is just a meme coin, but I remember when Pepe launched or was on its run, a lot of projects were retracing, and it was like Pepe was sucking up all of the liquidity from the space. Kaspa from Eskander is gonna do the same, guys. Get your bag today. Get your bag, man. Don't miss out. Buy the red. Don't buy the green. Now is a good time to enter. We got a red candle. I'm never gonna tell y'all to buy green, man. But yeah, man, the more I see the more I research, the more I look into the project. $1 to $5 it looks like it's inevitable, guys. Bello to fund me. Testnet 11, proof of work consensus and high performance computing. Learn more. Shout out to Bello. He got a nice write up of Cas. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Let's go through just a little bit of it. High performance computing, a field that combines advanced algorithms with powerful computing systems, has long been acknowledged as a critical driver of scientific research, simulations, and data-intensive applications. The convergence of high-performance computing and consensus algorithms is a visionary approach that merges the principles of these two domains to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of blockchain networks. Okay. Traditionally, proof-of-work consensus algorithms have relied on computational puzzles to validate transactions and ensure network security. By leveraging the power of HPC, the testnet 11 protocol can process transactions faster, handle higher volumes of transactions, and maintain network security at unprecedented levels. One of the key benefits of the convergence between high performance computing and consensus algorithms is the democratization of mining. This emerging discipline sits at the interaction of cryptography, computer science, and DeFi. From optimizing cryptographic functions to developing novel consensus mechanisms, this field offers a vast landscape for exploration and discovery. Testnet 11's groundbreaking convergence of high performance in computing and consensus algorithm represents a paradigm shift in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Wow. Proof of work consensus and how it ties into Kaspa. Nice write-up from everybody, you know, from Sismil, from Bello, everyone. Every tweet I've covered, Mr. Positive, probably nothing. Kath is only just getting started. And look at this from Jim Skiebum. Cas coming to Binance, probably nothing. Nicholas Semil, check out my article on BlockDAG. Nicholas Sismeal, check out my article on BlockDAG theory and how BlockDAG algorithms can solve the blockchain trilemma. Crypto.bank.eth. Hey CZ Binance, why the lag in price? Cas has blown this price out of the water overnight. Binance can't keep up with the speed of Kaspa. No one can. Awesome stuff, man. From Chris JS, it's incredible that Cas already has just under $20 million in daily volume and isn't even listed on any of the top 8 exchanges. It's easy to see what's going on, what's going to happen when they all need the liquidity to list it. Look at that, man. All of these exchanges, right? Binance, Coinbase. I don't think it's on crypto.com either. Kraken, OKX. It's not on OKX. Jeez. Imagine the volume that Cas is gonna generate for these exchanges, with all the volume that it's already generating, and it's not on any of these tier 1 exchanges, man. Binance could be on the way though. It could be. Chris JS, Cas is only testing at 10 BPS. Cas creator is only credited on a few dozen other white papers. Cas coin has only increased by 110x this year. Cas has solved the crypto trilemma. Cas is only a blot dag. Why would anyone be bullish on Kaspa? He's being sarcastic here. Being super sarcastic here, man. But yeah, a lot of people are gonna think they're late, but hey, when you have a project that could go to multi-billions in market cap because of the technology, I wouldn't fade it, man. I really wouldn't. Caspians, super bullish on Kaspa. We're gonna see what happens here. Probably gonna see more for retrace, and then eventually, once we have a support level hit, you know, it really depends on what Bitcoin is doing right now. Once we get a support level hit, because Bitcoin is kind of like crap in the bed. Once we hit that support level, guys, once we hit that support level, you know, we're gonna probably go into a consolidation and then a bounce, right? So even similar to like back here, right, this range, back here, you see we retraced, and then all of a sudden we found a bottom, then we started to bounce, we did a consolidation and continued up further. We could probably do the same thing over on this side, guys. We retrace, we find the bottom, we bounce a bit, find the bottom, we bounce a bit, consolidate, and then continue up, right? Could be the same thing here, guys. So Caspians, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, and also please join the Patreon, guys. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier for my buy alerts and sell alerts, and my private Discord, right? I just posted up a project that did a 2x on the Patreon, so now the Patreon that I have could just take their initial investment out, watch the, you know, see what happens to the rest of the investment, right? Watch the moon bag ride, you know, ride the moon bag to the top, but also protecting their funds, right? So Caspians, again, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, blow the video up, make it go viral, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.